Okay, YouTubers, this is for the MS200t kit. Let's see if I can get this where you can see it. Both of these are FarmerTec boots. They just sent this one to me. That's better. Right one, wrong one. That's the one they sent in the kit, and this is the right one, the one they should have put in the kit. So I'm not sure how they're going to handle it. You know, they didn't include a personalized note, you know, with a big frowny face, you know, sorry, you know, we put this in the wrong kit, but apparently they're aware of it. And so when you order your kit, be sure and ask them, does it have the correct manifold in it? It'll save you $40, which is a lot of money.